Inhale, let's come up. And now, what I want us to do is challenge our dolphin. And this is going to be really difficult, so some of you might want to go close to a wall to give this a shot, but we're going to challenge the dolphin. When we challenge the dolphin, we're going to increase the load bearing at the extended position of the shoulder. And remember, if you're not ready for this, to try it in the middle of the mat, in the middle of the room, go close to the wall. So first, let's get a good dolphin. Come onto your hands and knees. Exhale, let's drop the elbows down. Now, you can choose to interlace the fingers, or you could bring the palms just a little closer together. If the elbows are sliding out, interlacing the fingers will give you kind of a firm foundation. It'll be more like headstand, except the palms are going to be closed and your head won't go to the ground. I like better to have the hands on the ground. That's just my preference. Choose what works for you. Inhale, let's come up and walk into your flexi dolphin. So you want to work that flexibility, your chest as close to your thighs as possible. And we'll stay here for 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's challenge this position. Come a little wider. Walk one knee up. Press into the shoulders and inhale. See if we can come into a balance point with the extended position of the shoulders and hold. 2, 3, 4. As long as you stay in the tuck, you won't go all the way over. 5. Drop one foot down. Drop the other foot down. Find out that extended dolphin position. And then exhale, knees down, hands by the feet. Rest for a moment. Deep breath in. And deep breath out.